What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira. Today we are still not 100% sure what we are showing you, but we are bringing you what you like to see. Some Madeira, some food and some other things. So before I give away too much, before I overpromise, let's get this whole thing started. We're on an adventure today. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Yeah, let's go. This is what my life looks like at the moment. Can't show you details, but it's just mental, absolutely mental. Anyway, we need a plan for today. So I was thinking we could do something, you know, because I embrace the challenge. I like to embrace the improvisational side of things. I like to embrace that stuff. So today we have to bring something for you guys. So what do our people love, Andrea? People love Madeira, right? So people love Madeira, right? We're gonna do something about Madeira today, right? That's for sure, right? People love Madeira. They love coffee, and
Poncha, I guess.
What? Poncha, we are getting bolo do caco already. There's no poncha here, but you know, we're being responsible. So this looks amazing actually. It's so nice and cold. I haven't had orange juice in a while. What a gym thing. Thank God for the Kenyan roast. Food, of course, we have our tours to announce, and we'll do that later. They're coming along. So almost ready. One thing I wanted to do, Andrea, which will be today's challenge, because we are challenging ourselves today, all right? Today's challenge, which people have been asking us for on this vlog, is that we have to interview, all right?
Old people.
Old people. Yes. You love that? So we have to interview old people. So we're gonna do Madeira coffee, Poncha food, and interview old people. And there we go. Let's go. Let's do it.
Can we interview them with
ready?
a drone? What?
Sorry?
Can we interview them with a drone?
With a drone? No, that would just scare them. Like, what is this? What is this thing here? No.
The future is now, old man. Come on.
Yeah, but first. It's like a French toast tower. So this is French toast with bacon. They said I had to try it. My friends here at Gato Legal, of course. If you don't know, if you're the last person to know that this is the best coffee in Madeira, in Ponta do Pargo. We had to come out here for some other work for Pop Sec, and we still have to go back to Funchal for some other work for Pop Sec. So we are again vlogging and working at the same time. But because we were out in Caleta, I was like, you know, it'll only take 10 minutes to get to Gato Legal in the spaceship. So
Is it official now?
I don't know, I mean everyone's calling it that, so it could be. Salted caramel chocolate oated what? Cookie delight. You have to come out here, follow these guys on Instagram, right? Because they're doing coffee workshops and stuff. If you don't know, they roast their own coffee here. They got all the machines. We did a video like a year ago or something. We need to do another one, huh?
Yeah.
The Japanese iced coffee, remember? We have to do that because we didn't. Yeah, we didn't do that, so we'll do that one day. But yeah, come out to Gato Legal, best place in the world. We're gonna go out and film some stuff and then carry on some working. So yeah, thanks again, guys.
Thank you so much.
All right, so yeah, let's go. Ponta do Pargo because it's the point of the island, like the most western point. It's got this cliff, and a pargo is a fish, and I've forgotten the name of pargo in English. Sea bream? No, sea bream is dourada. Yeah, sea bream is dourada. Pargo, I always forget. So whoever, you know, you guys can put in the comments, what is pargo in English? I don't feel like taking out Google or ChatGPT. We're gonna ask ChatGPT, what's the name of what is a pargo fish? The point of the fish. And this is where my whole family comes from. So I'm basically like the, you know, the unannounced prince of Ponta do Pargo kind of thing. Homem de Gouveia, Jeff Homem de Gouveia, Pargueiro. Pargueiro, the most famous Pargueiro. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm telling you, this is good coffee. I love this stuff. This is amazing. This coffee's the tour guide's secret weapon. We're arriving. You know, they made this tunnel just for the golf course, which apparently is coming already. We're gonna put the watch in there like that. Alright, the steering wheel. I got a thing for steering wheels, by the way, and now I'm gonna put that on Instagram. Be like, giving up the tour business, gonna become a forex trader or a crypto investor.
Come on.
You probably know by now we are launching a food tour section of our business. So it's a brand new brand and we're very excited to finally announce Shut Up and Eat. All right, the best food tours in Madeira, the best food tours in the world. We're launching one of 3 new tours. So we've been very busy getting tour descriptions ready, photos, getting the logo done, which looks amazing. Absolutely love the logo. Shout out to Laura Andrade from Unthink Illustrations. You know, we paid good money for the logo and it was worth every single cent. So thank you, Laura. That's why we like to pay professionals. It was done faster than we wanted it. The communication was amazing. And the logo just came out really cool. We're having a tough time choosing which color we like the best, but I've already got some ideas. So we've had to get photos together, routes together. Of course, we got the new car for this project as well. We got new drivers. There's a lot going on in the background and I'm still planning on my wedding. So if you guys are thinking that you're gonna come out here and do a food tour with me, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be the one doing the food tours, but I promise you that who is will be ready to do the best tours in the world. We're out here in São Roque, which is gonna be one of the stops on our brand new Tasca tour. If you wanna find out more about that, you have to check out our Patreon account. Links are in the bottom. And in front of us, we have some fava beans. Actually, it might be fava beans. And yeah, fantastic as usual. Very typical. Then this is what we call a dentinho. Dentinho means small tooth, and of course, it's very loud out here. Sorry. Little bite, a little snack, a little dentinho. And this is what you can expect when you're coming on the Tasca tour. Local food, local drinks. This is a shandy. I don't know if you guys, there's another word for it. Panache, panache. There we go, panache. 3 drinks, we got this for free. I think also because we brought the camera. Usually we would have 1 of these. And we got some chicken as well, so it's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up and eat, all right? Okay? And then we're gonna carry on. So cheers. We're cheating. We're looking for an old man that I know, but usually I find him at the markets. We're in Santo de Serra, by the way. I thought it'd be a good place to come and practice some flying, and also to find an old man. So we're kind of killing a couple of stones, killing a couple of birds with a couple of stones. You're fine. I believe Oscar has found out where he is before I've even had the chance to. I need some coffee so we can get started again, and we got some water. It's not just the good life, you know. Let's see if we can find this man. I found another friend.
What friend?
Also from the market. Amiga. Está tudo consigo? Olha, estou à procura da casa do Mestre José. Aí à esquerda. Deste aqui? Ah, embaixo. Ok. Alguma novidade? Nada de novo. Tá bem, tá bem. Ok? Vai-se bem no mercado. Força, obrigado. Small world, huh?
Maybe it's that shop.
50. Oh. Ah, here it is. We found it. Found it. I still got skills. I still got them skills. Right, so the master, we call Mestre over here, José, is gonna show us what he's been making. This is my first time here, because I always see this man at the market on the Sunday Santo da Serra market, which is obviously a great thing to do, and we're gonna be bringing that in. We're just doing the logistics. That's gonna come up to shut up and eat, actually.
Aqui eu
Olha,
tenho
isto estava bastante interessado.
Porta
Sr. José.
Chaves.
Quanto é que você está a vender estes a quanto?
a 3 euros.
3 euros.
Sim.
E tem alguns feitos?
Tenho ali mais pequenitos. Era muitos.
Não, e posso levar o que você tem.
Oh, não, porque depois lá dentro tem clientes
Poxa,
que
não
estão à
tem.
espera.
Então, o que
Só
você está...
trabalhinhos de encomenda.
O
só
que você
faz
está
trabalhinhos de
disposto a vender?
Sim.
Isto é para o mail, não é?
É, eu posso ainda, tem maiorzinho, mas esse é em porta-chaves.
Mas você já está a fazer isto há quanto tempo?
Oh, 15 a 20 anos. sabe?
15 a 20 anos?
Sim.
E antes disso?
Eu era pedreiro.
Padreiro?
Sim.
Então você sempre trabalhou com as mãos?
Ah, é claro, não há outra maneira.
Olha, 60 euros. It's not bad.
Olha,
E você ir aqui a comprar uma coisa, já estou a ver.
estou
It's a
cheio.
poncha for all of our subscribers. If we had all of you guys all together, we'd have to make one poncha like this. Mas isto são os peões.
Isso é o brinquedo da antiguidade disso.
Pois, muita gente fala disto. Que eles até
Isso agora
jogavam...
sim, mas isso agora fazem mais agora campeonatos nas freguesias. Agora o normal, só se for turista que compra de vez em quando.
Pois. Mas é uma lembrança
Sim.
dos tempos antigos.
É, eu lembro-me vindo bem, graças a Deus. A juventude não conhece isto.
Pois.
Como a gente brincava antigamente à bilhardeira.
Bilhardeira.
Sim, pronto, é uma que tu não sabes. Carrinho de verga.
Ah, sim.
Está ali preso. Está preso no meio deste. Eu vou-me pôr agora a tirar deste.
E quem é que brinca com isto?
Mulheres.
Pronto.
Quem compra mais disso são elas.
Onde é que você vai buscar a sua madeira?
Compra nas serragens.
Nas serragens.
E não é nada barato. São madeiras caras.
E ainda vemos pessoas a dedicar a isto ou é uma coisa que vejo
É raro.
É raro.
Agora está.
Estamos a perder um
Não
bocadinho.
vai ser esta juventude, como eu tenho a minha ideia.
É.
Creio eu que o dando a badagaia ainda desta para melhor que acaba. Você não faz.
As paus poncha é que vende mais?
É. Eu amanhã já vou ao Funchal levar uma gabela dele. Olha o que vai aqui.
Então se eles não bebem, se eles não comprem a
fazer
poncha,
isto,
comprem o pau de poncha, não é?
Corta assim deste tamanho. Esse aqui vem para aqui. Faço isto. E daqui vai aquela serra, corta as pontas. Depois vou àquela uma que tem aquela de mesa onde está aquela caixinha, corto para fazer a cruz.
E demora muito tempo. Yeah.
Não, e
Para
posso
fazer
mostrar, vou fazer isso aqui rápido. E vou mostrar como é que se faz aqui. Está aqui, foi tudo que fiz. Comprei o motor, fez a montagem. Aquele está lá, e isso aqui comprei, mas foi maior aborto. Nunca devia ter comprado. vocês fazerem uma poncha.
Para fazer uma poncha. E vai-se fazer. E vai-se fazer.
Isso é mesmo que é o verdadeiro pau de poncha.
Espetacular.
Chama-se o Carelhinho, é na Madeira.
Você já tem site?
Então, eu vou chamar tempo. A gente não dorme lá encostado ao outubro, que aqui faz bastante barulho, eu gosto tem que estar de olhos abertos.
Tem que estar de olhos abertos. Yeah, you hear that? For all of you Madeiran people who don't have websites. Don't have a website. Listen to Mr. José's recommendations. You have to be with your eyes wide open. I think now we're ready. I think now we're officially ready. That's it, guys. That's it for today, because it's 4:10 and we still need to go to Funchal. I still need to wash the car. I still need to pick up Elisa. Then I need to go into the computer and do some real work. So I think this is a good time than ever to say bye-bye. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. It was pretty fun to make. There's a lot of new and exciting things coming, as I'm sure you know already. And yeah, you know, on that bombshell, Oscar,
Let's hit the road.
let's hit the road.